Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a nice holiday filled with diecast cars. This week I've got two Norev Dealer Edition BMW concept cars. The first one is called the BMW Vision Next 100. It's kind of a weird looking thing. I personally love concept cars. Norev has done 5 or 6 different BMWs at this point. The key to this is I don't know, from what I remember, the fenders were almost like a living, moving fabric, like a stretched fabric, almost like a skin. BMW's played with this concept before. They had something called the Gina, which is a terrible name, concept car, where the body panels moved underneath a fabric that's stretched. This is kind of, I guess, in a way, an evolution of that. This is obviously quite the look into the future. BMW just now started doing these gigantic grills, which I'm not really a fan of. Most people don't really like them. The interior detail is pretty decent. You know, this is a concept car, although it's die-cast, nothing really opens because there really would not be much to see. Fully covered wheel openings. Not exactly screaming with wheel details here. Just kind of interesting. The next one is the BMW 3.0 CSL homage car. I can't talk today, it's early in the morning, but don't mind me. This is a kind of redo of the 70s 3.0 CSL. They'd say this will probably wind up having elements of, you know, the latest M2 or the M4. Again, we have gigantic grills. These were cool looking cars. Now remember, these are dealer editions, which mean you can actually pick them up at your BMW dealerships. This actually has opening doors, which isn't, I guess I can get in there. This is when the crevice tools come in. The mirrors are very, very breakable. So I'm not going to open the doors on this one. Just use your imagination. There really is not much to see in here. Not much to see underneath on both of them. They're not numbered. The packaging is both on the same typical BMW Dealer Edition packaging, which has a labeled display, BMW logo, black matte finish window box. These retail for about $79 to $99 each, something like that. I looked out on eBay and found a dealership who sold me each one for about $45 free shipping. So, you know, not the most detailed. Again, they're not numbered, but they are dealer editions and they are kind of neat. So I'm pretty happy with them at that price. Tune in next week. I think we're getting low on pairs. I might do a couple pickup trucks. That makes sense. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.